Hi friends, today we'll discuss preferential rate of interest. Normally, if you go to a bank and you deposit 1 lakh rupees, already interest rate is fixed. It may be 7% or 8%. Depending on your period, the rate of interest may be changed. But if you are getting more than the normal rate or if you are getting less than the normal rate, then this will be called as preferential rate of interest. So today I'll explain you in which scenarios customers will get the preferential rate of interest. My so the first foremost important is, so any reduced but increased rate of interest is called a preferential rate. So normal rate, it can be increased or it can be decreased for the preferential rate of interest. In my first scenario, so a normal customer, the age is less than 60 years. If he go for a deposit in a bank 60 months, he'll get 8.5% per annum. But the same period, if senior citizen goes and deposits 1 lakh rupees, he'll get 8.30. So normal rate is 8.05, but senior citizens are getting 8.30. This is the preferential rate. This is the more than the normal rate. So this is called preferential rate. Second scenario, you go to any bank and you see the deposit rates, they'll mention up to 1 crore, these are the rates. Up to 2 crores, these are the rate. So up to 2 crores, these are the normal rate, it will be fixed. If your deposit amount is more than 2 crores, then the rate will be fixed on the spot. For example, now if you go and deposit any deposit more than 2 crores, your rate of interest will be different. This may be less than the normal rate or more than the normal rate. For example, if you go after 1 hour, then you will get a different rate. If you go tomorrow, your rate will be different. That rate will be fixed by the treasury and on the spot. So these are the preferential rates. In this scenario, your preferential rate may be less than the normal rate or more than the normal rate. So third is ex staff or working staff. So normally banks, what they'll do for the staff, they make any deposit, they'll give 1% extra. If he's a staff is a senior citizen, it is normally retired means he's a senior citizen. If he is retired and senior citizen, in my first scenario, normally for the senior citizens, the bank is giving 7.75 paisa extra, and for the you are a ex-staff of the bank, so they'll give 1% extra. So normal rate is 8%, then you'll get a 1.75% extra. So this is the preferential rate. 8 plus 1.75 is 9.75 your rate of interest. Other banks, for the senior citizens, they'll pay 0.5%. For the staff, they'll pay 1%. So in this scenario, if the normal rate is 8%, they'll get 9.5% rate of interest. So this 9.5% rate of interest is called preferential rate of interest. Thank you friends. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends also.